Oh my God, that's huge.
I know. That's what you said.
I thought it was gonna be this little square thing. That's enormous.
Hey YouTube! Today we're going to build this compost pit. I don't have any plans for this. What I did is I did a Google image search for compost bin and a couple came up that I like. So this is really a composite of two that I like. It's 4 by 4 by 3, so 4 feet long by 4 feet wide by 3 feet tall. I also cut dados into the 4 by 4 posts at a 45-degree angle. The reason why I did that is so that it would accept these 1 by 6 planks and I could take them in and out with ease. And the reason why I did that is because from time to time you're going to want to mix up your compost, and also when the compost is done you're going to want an easy way to get it out of the bin. And those dado blades make it easy for me to take those planks out and accomplish that. It's a relatively easy build and it only takes a couple of hours. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've done here is, this is kind of a storyboard for two pieces, this piece and another 4 by 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut dados in here and slide this 1 by 6 into this post at a 45-degree angle. And I have 7 of these. And just to make it easier, I marked the beginning and the end of that dado cut on this side, just so I can make sure I line it up correctly on the blade. I also did it on the other side because I'm going to have to flip it. So let's go ahead and let's cut some dados. Okay, we're in my garage now. The only reason why we're in the garage is because all my material's here and I just didn't want to carry it to my workshop, so here we are. Okay, so we last left off, we just cut the dados into these 4x4s. There's 7 of them. They're at 45-degree angles. And I have 2 4x4s, and as you can see, they're mirror images of one another. The idea behind this is so I can have one face of the compost bin where I can take these 1x6 planks and insert them and take them out when I need to. The reason why I want to be able to do that is from time to time you need to turn the compost over, and when the compost is done, you need to get the compost out of the bin. And if I'm able to take these boards in and out, it just makes that process so much easier. Okay, so this is a simple bin. This is going to be a 4x4. I'm going to take these planks, and they're going to go all the way around, and they're going to go 6 high, and that's it. Easy day. So let's get started.
Oh my God, that's huge.
I know. That's what you said.
I thought it was gonna be like this little square thing. That's enormous.
Yeah, I'm gonna admit it. And I asked for it.
Huh?
I asked.
It's heavy.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm fine. So we're putting this.
Okay, so we're done. Not much to it, right? I think it only took me a couple hours. Well, it's ugly, all right? It's not meant to be pretty though. It's a compost bin. It's not perfect. It's not a piece of furniture. It's exposed to the elements, but it's functional. These 1x6s, they go in and out real easy. I love that. The reason for it, again, is I take them out so that I could stir up the compost every now and then, and also when it's ready, I could take it out and put it in my wheelbarrow real easy. So really pleased with that. Most compost bins, they have a lid so that rain doesn't get into it. I have this overhang. I'm not sure what the previous owners used this for, but I decided to put it to use. So it's covered by this overhang, so that's the reason why I don't have a lid on here. So yeah, it was relatively easy. Most anyone could do this. You don't need all the power tools I had. I'm not gonna lie though, to have a table saw with the dado blade really does help. In any event, guys, like always, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I really appreciate that, and we'll see you next time, guys.